Good morning to all. Today we are discuss about effect of transients on power systems. Some of the effects of transients on power system as follows. A direct or indirect lightning causes increase in voltage wave on the line. This will weaken the poles and insulators and causes damage. If the voltage wave produced due to lightning hit the transformer or generator, the inductance of the winding suddenly opposes the wave and causes the insulation failure. The next one, less accuracy of the electronic equipment. It's too difficult to detect the fault, therefore short life of the device, which affects the efficiency. Machines may easily heated up, leads to insulation failure. ICs may be burned, etc. So next, motor. It runs at a high temperature during transient, result in jogging, produces motor vibration, noise and excessive heat. Therefore, insulation failure if it continues the effect of the other equipment which is connected to it. Also produced hysteresis losses which increases the current. Electrical distribution equipment. Transient degree of the contact of the switches disconnects the circuit breaker, produce nuisance tripping, causes current demand. Due to hysteresis increases in heat damages the device. Lightning. Fluorescent system suffers. First, one of the most common indicator is the appearance of black rings at the end of the tubes. Transients that are the sufficient magnitude will causes spattering of anodes when these suppress deposit on the tube, result in black ring. Electronic equipment. This operates at decreased efficiency. Damages of the elements are not readily seen, but which affects the system. ICs may be immediately failed. Most of the semiconductor devices may fail during transients, causes short circuit sometimes. Therefore, whether it's an industry factory, laboratory, bank, hospital, supermarket or even in our home, the one common problem is electrical pollution. That is high amplitude in the normal voltage for small duration across the power line is called voltage transient. Role of the study of transients in the system planning. Transients is an important problem in a power system. It affects whole system. It is related to extra high voltages. Second one, switching and lightning are unavoidable. This leads to severe problem in transmission system. To reduce this, need to more insulator to a string. This reduces the distribution of high voltages due to capacitive effects. Flashover voltage can also cause severe problem, but it's difficult to suppress them, leading to plan in a new way. Study of transients. Transients can be studied from the following angles: recognition, prediction and migration. The models of the power system equipment can be generated on two perspectives based on lumped parameters: motor, capacitor, inductors and reactors. Based on distributed parameters: overhead lines and underground cables. It's a important transient simulation and model should be reproduce the variation, nonlinearity, magnitude, saturation, surge arrestor, characteristics, circuit breaker and power fuse operations. Transients are generated due to internal or external causes. Therefore, these are inherent in the electrical system. Migration through surge adjuster, transient voltage surge suppressor, filters, choke coils, capacitors, snubbers and damping circuits requires knowledge the characteristics of these devices for analysis. This show recognition, analysis, migration and interdependent. After all, migration strategy must again analyzed and its effectiveness be prone modeling before implementation. Thank you.